So if you buy a Pixel phone, you will need something to video call. Used to. Used to.
Used
What
to.
are we gonna talk about? No, I said
Oh,
if you buy a Pixel phone,
what a
used to.
smoothie.
What a
What,
segue.
what,
What a
what,
segue to the next
what
thing.
is welcome to Unengineered, guys. This is how our production level increases every 5 episodes. So,
Yes.
okay, so, you guys might have heard of Anil Ambani, you know. सुना होगा उसका
Anil
नाम.
Ambani? You Mukesh Ambani. I think you misspelled Mukesh.
मेरे को दोनों में बहुत कंफ्यूज रहता है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता, बट ओके फाइन, मुकेश
Oh, I
अंबानी.
thought that was a joke.
नहीं, it was not a joke, मेरे को नहीं समझ में
Oh, I
आता.
thought you were making a joke. Oh, you actually got confused.
No, I'm
with both of
genuinely
them.
that dumb, guys. मेरे को
Oh,
नहीं.
the Geo is owned by Mukesh.
फाइन. अच्छा, जियो ओके फाइन. सो मुकेश भैया
Yeah.
बिजनेस माइंडेड है बहुत ज़्यादा. तो उन्होंने देखा
Yes.
कि Zoom का इंडियन यूजर्स दे इंक्रीज्ड बाय
They skyrocketed, to
हाँ.
say the least.
Yeah. So before the lockdown, we had 4 million users in India, and after the lockdown, by the third week of June, I'm citing Liu later right now, Unbox Therapy ka podcast. It was 400
Yes.
million. In the third week of June,
What?
400 million users of
A
Zoom.
growth of 100 times.
Bro. I mean, what the heck? See, this is why Mukesh Bhaiya was like, चाहिए मेरे को ये बिजनेस,
I need some of that money.
ये बिजनेस मेरे को चाहिए, ये मेरे को करने का. So obviously
Yes.
they didn't have time, right? They didn't have time to make a whole new app. तो डेवलपर्स को बोला जल्दी बनाओ, फट से बनाओ,
Of
आपको अभी
course.
लॉन्च करने का.
Yes.
तो डेवलपर्स डिड द राइट थिंग नहीं, they did the smart thing.
Yes.
They just copied
Because
Zoom.
they need salaries.
Alright, yeah. Just copied the entire interface of Zoom and they gave it
What?
their
The
own name.
interface is also same.
Yeah, dude.
I haven't checked out that app.
Bro,
I don't
you
want to download Geo stuff
it's
on my mind.
literally uncanny. The color scheme is the same except that the blue is a little darker. That's all.
Darker, yeah.
तू जाके Google, तू पागल हो जाएगा. It looks just like
what's it called? Geo?
GeoMeet. It's called GeoMeet. So they launched GeoMeet,
Oh.
and as soon as it's launched, right, people
Yeah.
were all over the place saying कि ओहो Zoom को direct challenge दिया, because एक तो Chinese app है, right? Zoom, and people.
Zoom is Chinese?
Yeah, Zoom is Chinese, buddy.
What?
Yeah, happy
I
realization.
thought Zoom is USA.
नहीं, just because उनका domain is .us doesn't mean, but it's a Chinese app, and
Oh no, it's US. It says here.
एक second.
Zoom Video Communications.
हाँ, so I was saying कि a lot of companies, Indian companies and startups have made good use of the fact कि Chinese apps have been banned and they are developing Indian apps. Indian startups are coming forward. I really hope the government, like, makes some schemes for these software startups so it'll be easier for them to come forward. I really hope it does. I would really like to see a
because
lot
I
more.
need one.
Yeah, exactly. Secret. So I really want to see like an Indian contender in the silicon manufacturing market. I want to see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I want to see that is what I really.
Silicon is
That is what we should aim for. One day maybe not Micromax at least, unless they have good engineers,
please,
right?
no.
Not Micromax.
Fuck.
I don't want like Snapdragon. I really love Snapdragon because of how energy efficient and well made the chips are, right? But again, I
You
think,
love Snapdragon.
yeah, man, I'm
Try
sorry.
an Apple Silicon someday.
I definitely will, man. But fingers crossed, case. So yeah, I really want to use a phone that uses Indian silicon. It'll be really nice. It'll be
That
really
would be nice. And it's not gonna happen tomorrow. It's gonna take good 4 or
It's gonna-
5 years
more
for
than
us to
that.
develop.
I believe
silicon
more
and
than that.
knowledge. Yeah.
Because I don't know, man. Going by the current
Setting
scenario,
up a
right?
hardware company.
It's really difficult.
Setting up a yeah, it's really difficult. What I was saying is setting up a hardware company, that too something that is not direct to consumers. Companies
exactly.
take a really conservative approach towards processors because they have to develop their entire software chain around that processor.
Seriously, it requires a lot of work. So that's why I say at least 10 साल तो लगेगा at least. Okay, I won't be surprised if it takes minimum of 20 years even for like an Indian manufacturer to come out and say कि चलो हम लोग खुद का chips बना रहे हैं, right? And then another 10 years for those chips to get better if they are not better already, which I'm assuming they won't
I
be.
don't think it's gonna take that long.
No, I really
See,
going by
It depends.
today's scenario, right? People
Yeah.
don't want to. There are literally no jobs in the core electronics industry. All right, there are.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There's nothing to motivate people to go and make silicon right now. At least I'm talking on the ground reality, right? Everybody's pursuing a software. Even you are pursuing a software career, right?
Yeah, I'm
exactly.
Software here.
Exactly, and that is why I said ki I think the government could help out the hardware people, and the day that hardware and software are at an equal level in terms of placement opportunities, careers and scope of both the products, I think that'll be a good day, to look forward to.
Okay, so okay, I thought, that is true. But once all this happens, once the engineers are there, once the companies are there, it's gonna take good 5 years or 6 years about that to actually get that silicon into products and stuff.
Yes, definitely, yes.
So yeah, even
that's
that.
true. So yeah,
the
point we
started with Jio actually.
Yeah, we started with Jio.
So
sorry.
that's one more.
We started with Jio and Indian contenders and stuff. So thoda sa ho gaya foray, diverge ho gaya, but it's all related. JioMit just blatantly copied Zoom ka mobile app.
But is that not Jio ka entire strategy?
They
see
it actually
music app, they make their own. They see a TV app, they make their own.
Jio is basically India ka Apple.
I'm gonna bring it out here. What they do is, I have this box.
Oh shit.
This is an Apple TV ka blatant copy, and I did not buy this. This just came to my door, and it was free. They didn't charge me any money for it. They just had my address, so they just put it outside my house. This is not how you sell products. This is a garbage product. You know what? I tried it one day. I connected it to my TV. You can't cast to that stuff. Android या कोई भी phone से you can't cast it. It doesn't have the casting interface implemented inside it.
Oh my God.
So all you can do is log in with all your personal credentials into that box, which I don't know if it's safe, and then play it udhar se.
Oh, I got it.
And
Samjha. It just converts your TV into a smart TV types.
It's not even smart. You can't cast anything to it. Casting.
You can't.
TV का icon आता है.
Oh God.
It doesn't detect. YouTube doesn't detect it. Although it has the YouTube ka. So I don't know what they were thinking. But please make good products that people want to buy. You know what? You're a Vodafone user, right? I'm gonna call Jio out of that. बहुत ज़्यादा. But
please call Vodafone out also. They're a pain in the ass.
So,
oh God.
Yeah. So once you buy a Jio का subscription ना इसके लिए phone के लिए phone recharges के लिए, you also get all the Jio apps का subscription. So those apps aren't free. So you're just paying for them for no reason.
Yeah.
And you don't have any other option. They say it's bundled for free, but we all know it's not. So I don't get it.
It's not. How would I put this? But you know what? I realized this small little feature a while ago, right? My friend has a Jio connection, alright, and he was using Jio Play. What is their music app here? Gaana.
JioSaavn. Okay, JioSaavn is a good app.
JioSaavn is a good app. Yeah,
JioSaavn is a good app because it's Saavn.
It's Saavn.
Jio just bought it.
Yeah. That's right. They didn't make it on their own, right? That's why it's really good.
Yeah, that's the
Saavn had developed for
someone else made it.
Saavn was blowing up when Jio bought it.
You
know, that's why it's so good. And there's a very neat little feature that you go into JioSaavn, right, and you play any song. There's one button that if you click the button, it assigns that song as your caller tune. And I came to know this.
I know that feature.
Yeah, I came to know this very recently, right before the lockdown, I think, began. I was like, wow, maybe this is why people like Jio, because Jio at this
since that feature. I don't see anyone using that feature. Like,
My friend, he showed it in front of me. He changed his collar tune.
I know.
It was
I
so
know
cool.
it works, but
Alright, I had never seen
collar
that
tunes are
before.
so 2012,
Collar tune.
isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. But it, like, seeing him do that was really cool because
Yeah.
usually
so, they
collar
have the
tune
advantage
change.
of integrating stuff. It's like
हाँ,
Apple's
exactly.
advantage of the ecosystem.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, they are India's Apple. When you get their connection, they try to suck you into their ecosystem, right? So you're surrounded by their apps that they have created. And
I guess what their strategy is. I mean, Mukesh Ambani is a smart guy and he knows the apps suck. And even he must be using Apple
True.
TV or ये सब
True.
ये garbage की जगह.
yeah, he does not use his
What
products.
there's-
100%.
What Jio का SIM card होगा for sure. What his strategy is, he'll develop these apps and put it there, and then use the developing
Mm.
power that he might gain वो apps से
Mm.
to make them better.
Exactly.
So that might be a strategy.
It's like a cycle of investment
Yeah.
and spending, you know.
So I guess that might be there, but
And-
come on, man, that product shouldn't have shipped any day. It doesn't have a casting feature. You
Oh
know,
God.
casting has become so
Mainstream.
inherited in products is that you just expect things to work. Like if I have a Chrome tab open and it
That's
with that cast button,
That's
both my TV should show up.
That's right.
So it doesn't make sense.
But then again,
Oh.
let's keep in mind what the target demographic for Jio is, right? Most people. So since its inception, right, it's been very cheap. They are the reason. Jio
Yeah.
is the reason that
Uh-huh.
India has the cheapest data rates in the entire planet. Okay, and
That I thank them for.
yeah, very thankful.
While we are
for
calling that
actually.
down, thank you for your cheap data. Thank you for pulling the competition down. Thank you for being the telecom that we all needed.
Yeah, but I won't thank you for all the cringy TikToks that people make on Jio networks. Am I being casted? I'm sorry. Am I being elitist? I'm sorry. I'm not being elitist. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. All right. TikTok is gone now. I'm sorry. I hope the creators find a new home. All right. Don't come to YouTube. Just go somewhere else. We're gonna talk about it next. Go to Chingari. We're gonna talk about Chingari. Hold on. So
Go to Chingari.
the target demographic for Jio is like the low income group, right? Because they have given free data, they've given free talk time since the beginning, and the product which was shipped to you, right, it may be made for them, right? It's a cheap
Oh no. So the reason it shipped to me is because I have a Jio fiber.
You have a connection, yeah.
The Jio fiber तो बस ऐसा. Okay, abhi it's everywhere, but पहले it was just for this area, and I don't know what's with this area, but I got the early connection. So I don't think the person.
But it's not made for you. That's what I'm
target.
saying. I mean, they gave it to you as a कि मतलब तुम्हारे पास connection तो ले लो, but it's not made for like a power user like you, right? And or है ना? So does it work as a set-top box?
Yeah, but it's connected to Jio, so उसमें बस वो channel है जो Jio ने subscribe किया.
See that again, that's smart, right? You sell people your mobile network, and then you sell the set-top box that comes with the mobile network, so people get into that ecosystem. And even if you're paying a very low cost for the set-top box, which you probably are, because you cannot
It's
afford.
free. It's not charged at all. It's free, पूरा 100% free.
See, it's free, dude. Tata Sky का set-top box 1000 रुपए का आता है, ठीक है? This, who will not take this? कौन नहीं लेगा? Free बोला तो कौन नहीं लेगा, dude? That's what I'm saying. उनका target demographic बहुत ज़्यादा खुश है जियो से, ठीक है?
Now that you brought target demographic up, I get it, but
But yeah,
I mean, अब free
I
है तो कुछ
understand.
बोल नहीं सकते, but come on, थोड़ा better होना चाहिए. Casting डाल देना चाहिए था, तो I wouldn't have lashed out इतना ज़्यादा. Because it was 5 AM जब तो वो बॉक्स ऐसा 4 महीने से पड़ा था मेरे इसमें अनबॉक्स नहीं किया था मैंने, ये मेरे को चाहिए ही नहीं था. बट इट इज 5 AM, मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है, मैंने 4 मैगी का पैकेट खा लिया ऑलरेडी. अब मैं क्या करूँ? तो आई गो कि चल ये अनबॉक्स करके देखते हैं. तो मैं खोला, देखा, एंड आई एम लाइक, ओह लुक्स गुड, इट्स लाइक अ चीप एप्पल टीवी. मैं कनेक्ट किया, आई एम लाइक, ओह सो दिस टीवी इज सैमसंग का, एंड इट हैज कस्टम सैमसंग सॉफ्टवेयर written, and I would gladly change it to Android. So I was like, this is my chance to get Android TV there. I connect it.
That's nice.
It is Android TV with इसका skin. It doesn't have Google apps ये सब, because खुद का apps है.
हाँ, right.
And I download Prime and everything, and it is asking me to sign in. So I'm like, nah, I'm not giving Jio my sign in data. And So I went on my phone and मैं से 5 मिनट बैठा, अब कास्टिंग का ऑप्शन आएगा, अब कास्टिंग का ऑप्शन आएगा, अब कास्टिंग का ऑप्शन आएगा, आया ही नहीं.
Ah, man.
And then I log in and सब चल रहा है वगैरह ऐसे.
Hmm.
Then I realized since it's custom Geo software Android इसके ऊपर they might have removed the casting वाला feature because settings पे भी casting के बारे में कुछ नहीं दिए.
Right. Right.
So
That is another way.
And I
That is
think-
another way to like cut.
casting comes in built Android के साथ. I'm not 100% sure, so it is by choice turned off
It does.
to avoid people
Definitely.
from going to other apps.
Mm-hmm.
You use the Geo wala app.
Yeah.
And the remote is, they include a remote with it, which is pretty nice. Although the phone ka app for the remote, it's taking some extra permissions that I don't want to give, and works and is coded in a really bad.
Oh God.
See, I've coded Android apps, and I know when I see a bad app.
Fair enough. I'll take your word for it.
Yes, yeah. If GeoWala, any person is using it, learn state management.
Yep.
That is how you'll solve that.
Definitely.